We've got John Beal. John's a senior this year, and Garrett Thompson is a junior this year. These guys are in my Chem 2 class, 4th hour. I had tried to develop this as an experiment and really was not able to get it to work. So I threw a challenge out to my Chem 2 students and said, okay everybody, you guys see if you can make this work. That's your lab. So everybody worked on it, but these guys really took hold of it and got enthusiastic about it. And they're probably at least a dozen different tweaks into changing what we're doing here. Well, they finally got it fine-tuned to where this works, and it's a pretty nice demo. So they've got a short presentation for you first, and then they're going to run the demo for you, and then we'll boot them out. Okay?
All right. So this lab is basically, we're going to walk you guys through it, but so what we're going to do is we're going to make carbon dioxide from those two substances, and it's going to put out flames. So, seeing the invisible demonstration.
So the carbon dioxide, CO2, it's cool. It's also heavier than the air. So when it comes down, that's what's going to put the flames out. Non-flammable, obviously, because it kind of makes an explosion.
Yep. So this demonstration is about generating carbon dioxide, for one, seeing the invisible, and using the CO2's cool and high density to extinguish several flames of the candles down the ramp.
So the CO2, it's colorless and it's an invisible gas. At small quantities, it's also motorless. So it happens a lot, like in cars and stuff. When you're running them in like garages, you hear sometimes people dying that way. That's how you don't know it's there, and you just start getting like tired, and the next thing you know, you fall asleep, and then lights out. But like if you open the door and you were just going straight into it and you weren't like getting built up to it, you could. It has a very strong odor, so you'll figure it out that way. But if you're just in there the whole time, you wouldn't know it had happened.
All right. So that standard temperature and pressure, the density of carbon dioxide is 1.98 kilograms per meters cubed, and this is about 1.67 times denser than air, which is around 1.225 kilograms per meters cubed. So it's a lot more dense.
So the baking soda, and then we'll mix it with vinegar. When it gets through there, you'll create the reactions, CO2 and the H2O, and you have sodium, and then another one. And that's what you're going to get off after, like you'll see it bubbling up and coming out. And then the CO2 gas is formed and escapes. So we have it funneled up, and then you put the cork in, runs through the hose, and that's what we're going to use to move it.
And pressurize it.
Yeah.
So CO2 is also used in a form of fire extinguishers. The carbon dioxide extinguishers are filled with non-flammable carbon dioxide gas under extreme pressure. So the carbon dioxide extinguishes the fire by displacing the oxygen, making it so the oxygen cannot combust in the flames. So it basically suffocates the flame, giving it no oxygen to burn. And these extinguishers are used in like laboratories, kitchens, car places, a lot of places with what are they called? Flammable liquids, because with water, you'll just move it, make it bigger, it'll burn off the oxygen out of the water. So,
What are you talking about?
dang it, Beal. I told you not to do this. I told you not to shake it.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
Nope.
Oh wow, it's almost like that one
But there's
that's
no
going out
Here,
or something.
shake it up again so we get some carbon dioxide.
Yeah, Maddie, you might
And the
not
carbon
be able to
dioxide
go.
should push this out.
It stinks.
Yeah, now we're out of reaction.
A shower.
But, yeah.
Oh, I see how it's supposed to work.
Yeah, we just poured the carbon dioxide out of there. It's supposed to roll down there slowly, but it's just supposed to displace that gas and slowly roll down. And like you saw, it got the first three by just going like boom, 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 and the gas rolled down, and then we spit water in there and